Hey guys, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Really cool set of seat covers we're checking out inside here today. This is the 2006 Dodge Ram 3500. Realtree Xtra for the insert, Java Croc for the trim, loaded up with pockets for guns and gear, and also the bull elk headrest logos. Really awesome looking set of seat covers, front and rear. Loaded up, totally transformed the interior of this vehicle. Let's check them out. Now let's check out the exact fabrics that we use inside this vehicle. Again, this is the Realtree Xtra for the insert. Really popular camo print. This is one of Realtree's most popular camo prints, is the Realtree Xtra. And paired with a really cool combination, guys, the alligator style Java Croc print here. So now if you want to order these fabrics or you want to order some different colors, you can always do that. But this one in the middle right here, this is a canvas fabric, which is really common for camo prints. So again, canvas right here, and then the side right here, this is a leatherette. So this is it looks and feels a lot like a leather does, okay? And that's what the croc or alligator style print comes out of. And we have different colors. We have black, we have grays, and we have other camo prints too. So check out our site for the different combinations there, or to text our seat cover experts and be like, hey, send me some photo or video, some different combinations. Now, this one you can see horizontal stitched right there. You can see that foam backing gives us a much better body. There's foam backing on this, a nice thick foam backing right here. Also a thick foam backing on the sides right here. All the seating areas have this foam backing and just give it such a better body than you see a lot of other cheap seat covers. They just look sloppy. These look really nice, almost like OEM seats here, but this is pulled over on top of the original material. The original material was a boring, stained up gray cloth. Not nice, and this made it look so much better. Now let's check out the driver bottom cover. This is the cover that gets the most wear and tear, as you see on a lot of older vehicles. In fact, this vehicle, it was split out right here. There was a tear all the way down to the metal. We helped fix it up a little bit, threw a little bit extra foam inside on his seat here. Now we have the seat cover on top, looking so much better. Again, Realtree Xtra for the insert, Java Croc for the trim, paired up really nice. The brown tones inside the Java Croc complement some of the tan and brown tones inside the insert of this camo, and just paired really, really cool. So again, this is where you get the most wear and tear in and out of the driver's seat. If you ever wear through this, typical wear and tear, I don't know, maybe we get guys, 3 to 5 years down the road, they might wear through a driver bottom. Contact us, you can get a replacement cover at a discounted price if you want to do that. But really, these wear really great, and sometimes I get guys, they're trading in the truck before they're ever replacing their seat covers. So again, they trade it in or they sell the truck before they ever need to replace the seat covers, because these last really long and they just hold up really nice and tight and look good while they're inside here. As you can see, these custom seat covers, they're gonna work around all your different controls, electric controls there, or any handles that you have. There's gonna be cutouts for that, so still fully functional. And this driver seat on this Dodge, it had this flap, the original flap down there. You can see there's a new flap that is in the Java Croc material, which is really cool to still mimic that flap of the OEM flap down there. Now we're checking out the driver MOLLE gun pocket. So this is sewn on the front edge of the driver's seat. If you don't have anything in here, it's a pretty thin pocket. So it just hangs down like this right here. Now I'm lifting it up so you can see, you can hook gear to the outside of it with that MOLLE webbing, or take your pistol right here, drop your pistol on the inside for concealed storage right there like that. Again, there's a pistol inside there right now, hangs down like that right there. So you have that pistol ready to go. That's that MOLLE gun pocket. That comes on both the driver and passenger sides. Now, one of my favorite custom options that we put on this vehicle were the headrest logos. This is the bull elk head headrest logo. It's in a leatherette patch, laser engraved, so super crisp image, looks really nice, stitched onto the headrest right here. And so you can see, again, that wears really well and it just pops out. And this guy, he's an elk hunter, deer hunter. He loved the antlers on the bull elk head. Now, even if you're not a hunter, you got to respect the elk. It's just a majestic animal. It's really cool. And so that is an option for you if you want to have headrest logos. You could choose to not have headrest logos. If this customer chose not to do that, it would be full Java Croc right here with no logo on there. We do have some custom logos too. If you want to do your, as like a custom Velcro patch, you could do your own patch there. So you can check that on our site, talk with our seat cover experts to see what your options are for the headrest logos. I just really like how this one turned out. Check out the fitment around here, guys. This is what you get when you do a true custom fit seat cover. Fits around nice and tight around here, pre-punched holes to fit around it. I have a full install video showing you how to install all the covers and get a great fit like this. So watch my install video. I walk you through every step. If you ever need help, we have seat cover experts ready to answer your questions. And this installs really nice and tight, fits around great like that. Again, this is what you need to look for when you do a custom seat cover for your vehicle. Here is the middle section. This is called the 20 section on this truck. This truck had a 40-20-40, so it's a middle seat. Lifts up, somebody could sit right here. Now, you can see there is a top lid section right here with its own cover. There's that Java Croc cover right there. You have storage right here, so still access to your storage. Some Velcro that keeping all this on nice and tight. Again, check out the install video to see how it all goes on. This lifts up right here for that backrest covered in Java Croc, bottom covered in Java right there. And then you can see this bottom lifts up as well for storage underneath there. So all still folds and functions just how it should and looks nice in this brown Java Croc. Now we're on the back side of the seats. Guys, this is a really cool and unique setup because this is Realtree Xtra pockets that are forming the special ops package, or we've also called this the tactical package, just because it's a really cool tactical setup if you want to carry rifles back here. But you could also carry bows. There's some bow pocket options. This could just be pockets for your camping gear, your jackets, binoculars, lots of other options inside these pockets. Two huge pockets right here that form the rifle slings. Again, two more slings down below so you can carry another rifle down below, or you could just close those up for concealed pockets right there with, again, a jacket, small sleeping bag, gear inside right in here. Okay, so this is the special ops package. You can see I got a mock AR right inside here. We have our first aid kit loaded up right here on the MOLLE webbing. So there's MOLLE webbing so you can attach additional gear to the outside of it. Really cool system to do that. I got a water bottle holder over here on my side, carabiner clipped on, a lot of different things. And then here's the Velcro section right here. If you have your own morale patches, you want to stick on some cool patches on the back, personalize that a little bit more. That's kind of a cool way to do it with that Velcro back here. Now, what's really unique about this setup is this backside is made out of the Realtree Xtra fabric. So that's a canvas fabric designed to hold the weight of the rifles, all your gear, and that's a great fabric to have on the backside. And so that's gonna match your camo insert here. So if you're doing our alligator camo series of seat covers, that's what we recommend is whatever camo insert you have, we do that same camo fabric for your special ops package. So in this case, it was the Realtree Xtra for the insert, then we're gonna do a Realtree Xtra for your special ops package. Really cool setup. Now, if you just did rear map pockets back here, that'd be just a simple pocket, just a simple kind of OEM large pocket. That's an option. A little more boring, but whatever. You could do that. If you did that, then we would recommend doing that in Java Croc, okay? But if you're doing the special ops package pockets, let's do that in the Realtree Xtra, a lot cooler. And it does need to be in a canvas fabric. So if you're doing the special ops, currently we are not able to do it in the Java Croc, so we recommend doing it in the Realtree Xtra here, or whatever your choice of camo print would be. Now, if you don't want the camo, or you're doing a different set, this could also be just in a black canvas. So that's another thing, but this one looked really cool. I love how it contrasts and just pairs nicely with that insert, that camo insert. So just look sweet back here. And again, I like the camo because if the guys are getting their dirty boots up here, they're getting, the dirt on the backside of your seats, well, don't worry, it's gonna be easy to wipe down and keep looking nice and clean. Now we're checking out the back seat here, guys. This is the Mega Cab, so it's a larger cab size. And I was really excited to get an install video done of a Mega Cab so you could see how the seats fold and function. You can see this is a 60-40 split seat. So that means it's a 60 large section here. There's a 40 section, a smaller section over here. You can see my hand goes right there, and they fold separately. So you can see that's gonna fold down separately right there. Guys, coverage on the back side. If you have your seats down, the dog's jumping up here, no worries. Gonna be easy to blow that dog hair off now. So much better there. Now there's a center armrest coming down right here. So your guys sitting in the back, pop it down, get their drinks in, still good to go. Folds and functions just how it should. Inner liner right here on the Gold Series, alligator style seat covers here. You have an inner liner. Just so nice to have an inner liner. And I have an install video showing you how to get that tucked in, looking really nice like that. Let's pop that armrest up right there so you can see there's that armrest fully covered right there. Covered down here like that. Again, you can pop that armrest down again right there. And just, so everything's gonna fold and function. The Mega Cab installs a little bit differently, and it looks a little bit differently than the Crew Cab. So you see some of our different videos on how the Crew Cab installs. The Crew Cab the rear seats would lift up, or the rear bottom seats would lift up, but this one, they're stationary. So, but everything paired really nice inside here. You can see that brown alligator style seat cover on the side there with the camo as the insert, the elk logos. Man, just cool setup. Now, if you want to do a different camo back here, or you want to do full alligator, you know, a lot of different options. Just work with our seat cover experts so we can give you an idea on what it's going to look like. And again, just paired up really nice back here. And this is a waterproof, durable, tight-fitting fabric that's going to be a guaranteed tight fit to your seats. Look how nice and tight this bottom cover fits on this 60. Here's this 60, this large section right here. So this is a separate cover right here compared to the 40 over on the other side. So just nice and tight. Guys, look at that. And there's that foam backing underneath here. So it's going to increase the comfort a little bit here as well. And the main thing is just to make it look really nice. It's just a really good looking seat cover that's going to wear well. It's very durable. I get tons of guys with dogs that use these with their dogs, so the dogs are jumping in and out, and it's protecting those seats underneath. Thanks for watching this video. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. To see more, you need to go over to coversandcamo.com. Our team is ready to help you build an awesome looking set of seat covers for your vehicle. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers.